40. Be yourself. The more learning a man has, the more material he has towards being either a wise man or a fool, and it's very easy to be a fool. Just be yourself. We are sinners, and foolishness is basic to our fallen nature, so that when people say, "I want to be me," they're demanding the right to be fools. The book of Proverbs speaks about 17 times of the fool as a scoffer and cynic. He's skeptical about everything and everyone except himself and his opinions, and he is thus a source of trouble. Proverbs 22:10. Such fools are destroyers. Proverbs 29:8. Unable to be constructive or to do good, they hate all who are able. As a result, they work continuously to undermine, negate, and discourage. The scorner's great joy in life is to sit on the sidelines and criticize all who are actively trying to accomplish something for the Lord. Such fools have a very high opinion of themselves, and they try to be opinion makers, shaping the minds of men to their own cynicism and contempt. They are the do-nothings and evil thinkers who work busily to promote themselves and those like unto them as the wise men of the age. It's God's opinion which prevails, however, and God the Lord tells us that he repays such fools with their own coin, scorn. Surely he scorneth the scorners, but he giveth grace unto the lowly. The wise shall inherit glory, but shame shall be the promotion of fools. Proverbs 3:34 and 35. There's a beauty about the justice of God. The scorners are scorned, but those who turn to the Lord with a humble and believing heart receive grace, become wise in him, and receive the inheritance of glory. The question God raises is a very simple one. Do you want to be yourself a fool, or a child of God and wise in the Spirit of the Lord?